Biosteady Blood Optimizer is being promoted as a natural supplement that cleans your blood, balances sugar, lowers pressure, and improves overall health. But the real question is whether it actually works, or if it's just another overhyped supplement. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Supplements can support things like blood sugar or cholesterol levels, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. However, here's the key point. There is no scientific concept of supplement cleaning your blood. That's mainly marketing language. There are some basic positives. Biosteady appears to contain common ingredients like berberine, cinnamon, chromium, bitter melon. Some of these have limited evidence for supporting blood sugar control, but only in specific doses and conditions, not as a cure-all. That said, the concerns are significant. First, no clinical proof. There are no verified studies on the finished product itself, only general claims about ingredients. Second, exaggerated claims. The product is marketed to lower blood pressure, balance blood sugar, promote weight loss, all at once, which is a major red flag for supplements. Third, scam-style marketing patterns. Investigations show fake endorsements, even using public figures, urgency tactics, and huge discounts testimonials that may not be verifiable. So, does Biosteady actually clean your blood? No. The bottom line is this. Biosteady is likely a real supplement with common ingredients, but the blood cleaning claim is pure marketing, and the overall product shows strong signs of being overhyped and low trust. If you're looking to improve blood health, things like diet, exercise, and medically approved treatments will have far more proven impact than supplements like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.